Hello everyone, my name is Rue, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a diagonal friendship bracelet. I'm at home right now, but I have been traveling a lot, visiting family and friends, and it has been a lot of fun. So to start your friendship bracelet, you will need 4 to 5 strands of string, and you will want to cut them each 25 inches long. I have tied a knot here about 2 inches from the end, which will leave me enough space to tie my bracelet together once it is finished. You will then need to secure it to something while you work on your bracelet. I use a binder clip, but you can also use tape. I will lay out my strings so you can see each one. I have a light green string, a dark green string, a blue string, a pink string, and a yellow string. So to start, I'm going to use these 2 strings, my light green string and my dark green string. So I'll push the rest of them off to the side for now. So I'm going to use my light green string first, and I'm going to cross it over my dark green string. So as you can see, it has made the shape of the number 4. And then I'm going to lift my dark green string up slightly to make some space under it, and then I will pull my light green string under the dark green string and through the hole that I just made. And then I will pull that knot all the way up to the top. So that's the first knot, and then I will do the exact same thing one more time. So I will cross my light green string over my dark green string to make that 4. I will lift up my dark green string. I will pull my light green string under my dark green string and through that hole that I just made. Then I will pull that knot all the way up to the top. And to tighten it a little bit more, I will take 1 string in each hand and pull them apart. Now I'm done with my dark green string, so I'll put that off to the side. Next, I want to use my blue string, so I will bring that out. And I will do the same thing. I will use my light green string, I will cross it over my blue string to make that 4. I will lift up my blue string slightly. I will pull my light green string through that hole under my blue string, and then I will pull the knot up to the top. I'll do that one more time. Cross my light green string over my blue string. To make that 4, I will lift up my blue string, pull my light green string under my blue string through that hole, and then pull the knot up to the top. And I'll tighten it a little bit more. And now I'm done with my blue string, so I'll put that off to the side. Next, I want to use my pink string, so I bring that out and do the same thing. Use my light green string, cross it over my pink string, lift up my pink string, pull my light green string through the hole, and then pull the knot up to the top. Do that one more time. You always make 2 knots with the same string. Cross my light green string over, pick up my pink string, pull my light green string through the hole, and then pull the knot up to the top. Tighten it a little bit more, and now I'm done with my pink string. Lastly, I will use my yellow string to do the same thing. Cross my green string over, lift up my yellow string, pull my green string through that hole, and then pull the knot up to the top. Do it one more time. Cross my green string over to make that 4. Lift up my yellow string, pull the end through that hole, and then pull the knot up to the top. And now I'm done with my light green string. I've made 1 complete row with each of the other strings. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning and start that whole process over with my dark green string. So now I will start with my dark green string and my blue string. Now push the other strings off to the side. So now I make the 4s with my dark green string. I cross my dark green string over the blue string. See that 4? And then I lift up the blue string and I pull the end through that hole, and then I pull the knot all the way to the top. Do that one more time. Cross the green string over the blue string, lift up the blue string, and then pull the end through that hole and pull the knot to the top. Tighten it a little bit more. Now I'm done with my blue string, so I put that off to the side. Next is my pink string. Once you have finished your first row, which was my light green string, you don't have to worry about the order of your strings anymore because the order was established by that first row. So now my dark green string, I'll cross over my pink string. I will lift up my pink string. I will pull the end through that hole under my pink string, and then I'll pull the knot all the way to the top. Do that one more time. I cross my green string over my pink string. I pick up my pink string, and then I pull the tail through the hole and pull the knot all the way to the top. And I tighten it a little bit more. Now I'm done with my pink string, so I put that off to the side. Next is my yellow string. So I bring that out. And I do the exact same thing. I cross my green string over my yellow string. I lift up my yellow string. I pull the end through the hole, and then I pull the knot to the top. Do it one more time. Cross the green string over the yellow string. Lift up my yellow string. Pull the tail through the hole, and pull the knot to the top. Now I'm done with my yellow string. So lastly, I do my light green string. Cross my dark green string over my light green string. Lift up my light green string. Pull the dark green string through that hole and pull the knot up to the top. Do it one more time. You always make 2 knots on the same string. Lift up my light green string. Pull the tail through the hole and pull the knot up to the top. And now I've finished a row with my dark green string. So next, I would go back to the beginning and start that whole process over with the blue string. I do blue with the pink, blue with the yellow, blue with the light green, then blue with the dark green. And you keep doing that same pattern over and over until you have done enough rows to make your bracelet long enough. I started another bracelet so you can see what it looks like with more rows done. This is what it will look like once I finish more rows. And that's it. I hope you have fun making your bracelets.